Hi, it's Kelly from ICW. I've got to write this down. This is a prototype of an overhead Titan Elite slide monitor mount on a 12 o'clock station. And 12 o'clock stations are very common and very popular in the dental industry. So, as you can see, it's a Titan Elite with the Titan arm and the Elite arm articulating arm. You see it's got very good smooth movement up and down. You can bring it across and around the corner so you can get out of the way of the cabinet like so, or you can bring it around and you can raise it up and almost clears the door. I mean, it gives you different ways of clearing the doors and clearing the cabinet. Like our other prototype, very smooth movement, very quiet, very smooth, very easy to manipulate and to maneuver. The Elite has more upwards movement, vertical movement, and when you want to bring it towards you, if you want to raise it, you have to turn it and do it sideways, like such. The other thing that this arm has that's great, it has great monitor tilt abilities. So in addition, this has very good cable management. All the cable is inside except the cabling down here. So no exposed cabling. Nice and neat. Okay, Rob and I are back up on the ladders again. This is the Titan Elite on the 12 o'clock cabinet station with the slide. You can see how the slide works, how smooth it is. And the other thing that's great is look at this wire management. The wire management is inside the track, no loose cabling with the shroud. This prototype has 80,000 movements on it, and this cabling is still in excellent shape. No damage, no wear. Very discreet, very nicely done cable management.